Kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania EACC yugite ona thengia wa kwirutaniria hari kuhurana na ciiko cia ngukumio matanya mao matikinyanĩire uria kwagĩrĩire amu hari makiria ya macira 700 maria matwaritwo wabici-inĩ ya thitango cia muingi no gicunji kinini tu kiamo mahotete gutuithanio. Kamiti no yugite macira maingi maria marahutia andu marigatu ni mekururagia gutuithanio riria matwarwo igoti-ini kuona ni maingiragio uteti na makoya ihinda iraya.
Public officials are corrupt and the problem of corruption is a problem of government workers. Wrong. Corruption is driven largely by the private sector.
EACC no itarĩirie MORITU makwaga ndumiriri cia bata iria ingimateithĩrĩria hari kuhurana na ungumania amu namba nene ya andu matietĩkagĩra kuruta ndumiriri ni gwĩtigĩra gutharĩkĩrwo amu matigitĩirwo kuigana.
By the time people report corruption, they are stigmatized, they are ostracized, they are treated like downcast. You'd even think that they're the ones who have stolen.
I urge both the public and the private stakeholders present today to actively participate and contribute towards coming up with strategies and approaches geared towards upholding human rights in implementing anti-corruption initiatives.
Ona kuri uguo ni mahotete gukurana indo cia muigana wa ciringi bilioni 28 cia uici na igacokio kuri thirikari makiuria honge ciothe kunyitanira mbara-ini no ya ungumania.
Because young people actually suffer more when resources are diverted from areas where the young people can actually benefits.
We need a multi-stakeholder approach, a concerted approach.
Hamwe no guo uria wari munene wa watho Profesa Githumuigai oigite bara ya kuhurana na ungumania ti ya mundu umwe indi no nginyagia a Kenya othe manyitanire hari kuhukia ciiko cia ngukumio.
When patients are turned away from hospitals because money was diverted for private gain, their dignity is stripped away. When a job is given not to the most qualified but to the best connected, then we lose an entire generation.
We must center the human cost of corruption because dignity is not just the value, it has quickly become the victim in our society. And our job is to restore it.
Ona kuhana oro uguo kamiti no yugite ni guthie na mbere gwikirira bara ino ikiuria unyitaniri wa kuigana na oho kugacirithia watho wa kugitira andu aria marahithuria ciiko cia ungumania.
The audience, more than from myself.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.